Good morning, children. This is our English grammar class, and today we are going to learn the alphabetical order. The order in which the letters of the alphabet are arranged from A to Z is called the alphabetical order. You know ABCD? Okay. So A comes before B, B comes before C. This is alphabetical order. Now look at this picture. Apple, ball, cup, drum. Apple. Apple. Apple starts with A. A. Ball, B. Cup, C. Drum, D. Now A comes before B, so apple comes before ball. B comes before C, so ball comes before C. C comes before D, so cup comes before drum. Okay. Now look at these pictures. Here all the words starts with B. B, B, B. Now, how can we arrange these words in alphabetical order? So now we have to look at the second letter. Second letter of box is O. Second letter of brush is R. Second letter of butterfly is U. Now in ABCD, O comes before R, so box comes before brush, and R comes before U, so brush comes before butterfly. Now look at your book. Open at page 7. Here are some words. You have to put them in alphabetical order. Sun, trees, birds, nest, house, flower, pond, mountain. So, to put these words in alphabetical order, first you have to look the first letter of each word. The first letter of each word. Sun starts with S. S. Trees starts with T. Birds B. Nest N. House H. Flower F. Pond P. Mountain M. Now read ABCD in your mind. B comes first among these first letters, so birds will be the first word. Next, flowers. Next, M, mountains, and so on. Okay. Move on to this page. I have written the answers. You note them in your copy. Now page 8. Here are some words. You have to put them in alphabetical order. First look at the example. Bun. House. Bun starts with B. House H. Gate G. Kite K. So read ABCD. Which letter comes first? A, B, B. So bun number 1. C, D, E, F, G. G, gate number 2. H, horse number 3. And last, kite. Now look at these words. Lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb, starts with L. Desk, D-E-S-K, D. Moon, M. Cap, C. Now read again ABCD. A, B, C. C to cap comes first, cap. A, B, C, D. Desk, number 2, desk. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Lamb, 3. This one 4. Okay. Now number 3. P-A-N, pan. R-A-I-N, rain. C-O-A-T, coat, raincoat. Girl, book. P, R, G, B. So B comes first, 1. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, girl, number 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So pen 3 and this one 4. Number 4, zip, Z, ant, A, parrot starts with P and crow with C. Again read ABCD. A, so ant, A comes first, so ant will be first word. Next A, B, C. Here is the word with C, crow. So it will be number 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you have to do this exercise in your copy clearly. Next day we will read the remaining part of this chapter. You try by your own. Later I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you.